In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between multiple cameras in Blender. First, make sure you have at least one camera in your scene and position your first camera the way you want for starting shot. You can just press 0 key on your numpad to see the view from the camera like so. And when the camera is selected, and just scroll up the timeline so we can have a clear view like so. And let's say I want the first camera to be up to 59 second, and from the 60-second mark I want to have my second camera. So after I am in the 59th frame, I'll just press M key on my keyboard and you will see we have successfully added a marker. And just press Ctrl B to bind this camera to that frame. This tells Blender to use this camera up to this point. Now move to the frame where you want to switch to a new camera. In my case, it was frame 60. So I'll just move one frame forward, and after moving to my frame, I'll just press Shift D while the camera is selected so I can duplicate my camera like so. And once that it has been duplicated, I will just go to my timeline, and while camera 2 is selected, I will just press Ctrl B once again, and make sure to press Ctrl D while you are in the timeline by just press Ctrl B, and you will see we have successfully saved our camera 2. So now let's have a quick view of how it looks. So I'll just play the video, and this is camera 1, and you can see the switch to the second camera like so. You can repeat this process to create as many camera cuts as you want throughout your animation. You can play your animation and Blender will automatically switch between cameras at the frame that you set. And that's it. That's how you switch between multiple cameras in Blender. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.